Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and this is Ruth of Filipina in UK channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you the city of Venice. We are here for a few days for the Venice Biennale. So I'm going to show you the beautiful city. Venice, called Venezia in Italian, is entirely surrounded by water and crossed by hundreds of canals. There is so many things to do and visit here in Venice. One day is not enough for just one area. There are more than 100 canals in Venice, and Venice is known as the floating city. On our first day and second day in Venice, we just walk around along the city. It's lots of tourists here because it's warmer now, and you can see lots of people. And there is show here as well. They call it Venice Biennale, and we are here for that as well. You can see lots of restaurants here, so there's no problem with food, and lots of pubs as well. So yeah, you can enjoy your vacation here. So this woman here is dancing. She's holding an ice and she's dancing. So enjoy watching, guys, and don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel if you like this one. So you can see all these buildings here. It's beautiful. You can see it's quite old as well. I think yeah, this city is very old. So yeah, you can see this beautiful city, like everywhere there's a street, and you can see lots of gondolas, like, 'cause that's the main transport here, and they have the water taxis, water bus. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the whole city. So this is the whole view of the Venice itself. Venice is the most romantic city in the world, and you will find it why. I've been here twice now, but I still find this place very interesting. So Venice is located in the northeast of Italy, in the middle of the Venetian lagoon, at the end of the Adriatic Sea. There's a lot of attractions here in Venice, and you can just, if you want just to go for sightseeing, you can just go just walking around the city, which is quite far actually if you will just go by walking, or you can go by water buses, which is the public transport here. And there is a water taxis as well. There's a gondola, which is quite nice to go in with, but it's quite expensive if you will just ride that gondola. And on our third day in Venice, we decided to go to Lido Island. It took us 20 to 25 minutes on water bus. It's a beautiful day, and we just walk around in Lido Island and see what's in here, and we ended up to an open beach. It is a public beach. It's not so many people out here. On our last day in Venice, we went to Murano Island. Murano is the second largest island in Venetian lagoon after Venice. It is like 30 to maybe less than 30 minutes on water bus. This is the place to go if you are interested in the famed Murano glass, where you can watch a glass making demonstration and maybe buy a Venetian glass souvenir or two. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. See you next time. Ciao!